This has better lighting than I expected. Let me just remove my shoe. Ooh. I made a mistake of eating a lot before I sang, so it's acid refluxing. I don't know. I can feel the yes. If you're someone who is prone to that, you will know what I'm talking about. But basically, it's the yes. You feel it here, and like it. I thought someone was gonna do some laundry. That's why I went to the dryer room. But no, apparently I'm wrong. Which is the story of my life. Apparently I'm wrong. Well, you know how it is with life. Information is always changing. So 1 second you are right, then another second you are wrong. Sometimes it's like that, yeah, right. Especially nowadays, everything is so fast. So I'm gonna be honest. I don't know I hope my armpit is not having a thunderstorm. I really need to do some cardio, apparently, so that it will not always be like this. I don't know the backstory of this laundry ghost. I have questions though. I have questions. I think this ghost is made of questions that I don't know the answer to. Because sometimes I get some ideas and I don't really know why they're there. And this is one of those ideas that I don't really know. I have some guesses that I can share, but I'm not sure if I'm right. But I can share. I really like documenting questions and things. I can share the questions that I have regarding this nameless laundry room ghost. Number one. Number one. You see, since I am a ghost, I feel like more free to be the wild or abstract or whatever it is that is behind this social conditioning that exists still in myself. While I'm singing, I even felt my native accent sort of rise from the grave and resurface in the Deo. because I also know what they are speaking about the song. I haven't harvested banana myself, but it's something. This song reminded me of the farmers as well, and those people carrying those boxes of goods. Yeah, those are. So maybe this is the one that I was able to give the most justice to, because I'm having these pictures inside my head of the farmers, the people carrying boxes of things. or sacks of rice. Yeah, I get reminded of them. So I shall return to the questions. Number 1. The question I have in this nameless laundry room ghost. Is this the ghost of the absurd chicken? What's gonna happen to the absurd chicken and the soft sparrow? Is this the ghost of me, of Dominic? Is this the ghost of Dominic? Is this the afterlife? Am I existing in the afterlife here? Or is it just, I just want to pretend that I'm dead already? Like, is it because I just want to extract the freedom of being dead and bring it to this timeline where I am still alive? What is this? I don't know, but I'm having fun. As you may have seen, I'm having so much fun. I just generally feel that if there's a corset before when I'm singing the previous ones in the experiment, in the other experiments, or the absurd chicken, or the song renditions, or the I feel like I'm squeezing my throat, or the soft sparrow, if there was a corset there, it has totally come off, the corset. I feel so like I don't have a body anymore. Yeah, maybe that's why this, I don't know, it's really free for interpretation, even to my future self. I don't know what stage or chapter this serves in the bigger picture, but this is the most fun out of all the experiments I have tried. This is the most fun yet. Yes, this is the most. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banan. Yeah. Mr. Tallyman, tally me banan. Daylight come and me wanna go home. Me say them. Daylight come and me wanna go home. Also, I'm getting more comfortable with the recording and stuff. It doesn't get in the way of the flow anymore. Because before, this is making me uncomfortable. Before. But now, I feel more comfortable. Maybe because I'm not sure if this will work on you. But I discovered one tip to make myself, or to make the brain more comfortable with the camera. Because if you see, this is attached to a tripod. And I'm not sure, maybe what is happening in my sentences. Basically, I tried to imagine this as Wall-E. This is my friend Wall-E. So now, I imagine him as Wall-E, and it just feels like I am singing to Wall-E and not really to a device. So it feels more, how would you say, what's the word? It feels more warm in a way. It feels more warm, and it also affects the way, especially when you imagine that you and Wall-E is the only thing that has remained alive on the earth, and you only have the two of you. So it's more warm in a way when I sang those three songs. I'm imagining Wall-E and not really filming myself. Maybe now I'm still imagining Wall-E. I don't know. But yeah. I feel so satisfied with my life after I sang those three songs. I really feel, this really feels like I'm speaking as a ghost already. Like I'm free of all the things. I'm free of all the, I'm just free. Yeah. Kamis talimimanan, they let go and me won't go home. Hey, me said that. I bet this is what a ghost will do if the ghost discovers that it still has a face. I don't know why I developed this. Before I don't have this. But yeah, I should end somewhere. End this video, of course, not me. I should end this video somewhere. But yeah, I also would like to say that I hope you find something. I hope you find something that could make you feel the same way as I feel when I'm singing. That would be cool. That would be cool if people have that. Maybe there would be less pain in the world if people have that. So I'll be back. I'll be back.